The upcoming Google Pixel 10 series has just been leaked, and now we know a lot more about what Google is planning for its next big phone launch. This leak comes from a well-known source named Evan Blass, who shared some new images and details. According to what we've seen, there will be for new phones this time, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and a foldable phone called the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Let's begin with the design and the colors, which are already catching everyone's eye. There's a leaked photo showing all four phones side by side. Each phone has its own unique color. The regular Pixel 10 comes in a bright and bold blue that looks very different from the usual colors we've seen before. The Pixel 10 Pro shows up in a rich green color called Jade. The Pixel 10 Pro 40 sticks to a more classic look with black. And the Pixel 10 Pro Fold comes in a simple gray. Some people might think the gray is a bit boring, but the overall look of the Fold is sleek and modern. These new colors make the phone stand out, and it's clear Google is trying to improve the design to match what users want. A lot of people online are already saying they love the blue color on the regular Pixel 10 because it looks fresh and different. But it's not just the colors that are new. Google is also adding new hardware features. One of the most interesting changes is that these phones will have magnets inside them. These magnets will help support new wireless charging accessories called Pixel Snaps. Unlike Apple's MagSafe, where the accessories have magnets too, Pixel Snaps will just use the magnets inside the phone. This setup is supposed to make wireless charging faster and easier. All four models, the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the Fold, are expected to support these Pixel Snap accessories. This shows Google is working on building a better system for accessories, something that's been missing from previous Pixel phones. When it comes to cameras, Google is once again focusing heavily on giving users a top-notch experience. The Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 10 Pro XL are expected to come with 3 cameras on the back. The main camera will be 50 megapixels, the ultra-wide will be 48 megapixels, and the zoom feature is expected to go up to 100x using something called ProRes Zoom. That's a big jump and shows Google wants to compete with Samsung's best phones. The regular Pixel 10 will have a 48 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It will also support up to 20x Super Res Zoom, which is still very good for a non-Pro phone. We don't know the full camera details for the Fold model yet, but since it has Pro in its name, it's safe to guess it'll have strong camera specs too. All of the new Pixel phones will be powered by a new chip called the Google Tensor G5. This new chip is expected to be much faster and more power efficient than the G4. It should help improve battery life and allow the phones to handle bigger and better displays without slowing down. Speaking of displays, the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro will both have a 6.3-inch screen. But the Pro model will have a higher quality display called Super Aqua, which offers better brightness and colors. The Pixel 10 Pro XL will have a bigger 6.8-inch screen, just like last year, and it will also use the Super Aqua display. The foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold will have a large 8-inch inner display and a 6.4-inch cover display. These sizes make it a direct competitor to other foldable phones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, combined with the new Tensor chip. This Fold should be fast and powerful. As for battery life, the new Extreme Battery Saver mode could give up to 100 hours of usage on the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, and 10 Pro XL. The Fold will have slightly less, but it can still reach up to 72 hours. That's really impressive considering these are high-end smartphones. The leak also mentions some new accessories. There's the Pixel Watch 4, which will come in 2 sizes, and a new color for the Pixel Buds Pro 2. All of these are expected to launch with the Pixel 10 phones, maybe around August. To sum it up, the Pixel 10 series looks like a big upgrade in design, performance, and features. Whether you like smaller phones, Pro models, or foldables, there's something for everyone. Now the only question is, which Pixel 10 are you most excited about?